So as a kid, I've always loved to play with Legos and build things, and I go to TJ because, like the robotics program and everything. Got my new underbed storage from IKEA, but they didn't build it, so I decided today I'm gonna build it. So I guess today's video can kind of be described as the time I built part of my bed. We'll see.
Enjoy me taking out all the multitude of parts from this box, which was amazingly all flat shipped in one box. Amazing. It took me an embarrassing 40 minutes to finish this, but I'm actually pretty proud of what I've done. It looks cool and it rolls around and stuff. Nice.
So as you can see, I managed to build the underbed storage. I mean, it took a little while, but what can you expect? It was actually kind of fun. Next time we get stuff from IKEA, I'm definitely gonna try and build it myself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can grow my itty bitty channel to maybe a bigger channel. Thanks for everything. Bye!